Barrister Alayo, Kabiru, we celebrate you today. You have been a proud son of the whole land. On behalf of the entire youth of the land, we say congratulations. Many happy returns, long life and prosperity. Please continue to be the good person that you are. We are well aware of your passion for the growth and development of the whole land. The last time we were discussing about starting a university. And at Al-Bayan International Foundation, you have been very wonderful. You have been a wonderful secretary of the Board of Trustees, and we are moving from strength to strength. May God Almighty continue to strengthen you. May God Almighty continue to make you happy in life, make you fulfilled in life. We are very proud of you. Alayo, Kabiru, Igba ọdún kan ni.
Happy birthday to you, Wàṣàmọ́dún. Ayọ̀gbọ̀ntọ̀rẹ́, àdàgbàgbọ̀ntọ̀sẹ̀, àtàrí àgàrà sàngàrà mẹ́ta ní tọ̀pẹ́ o.